Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. Do you feel hot and tired when you walk in the city? Why is the city getting hotter every year?
What if one day your city has no trees at all? Imagine walking in your city with no trees, no shade, and no fresh air.
In this video, we will talk about why cities need trees and what happens when they are cut down.
You will see how important trees are for everyone living in a city. Tom, why do I feel hot even inside the building?
Lena, this lobby already feels warm even before we go outside. The air feels heavy and the sunlight comes through the glass. Many buildings in the city trap heat inside. The walls and floors store heat from the day. When there are few trees around buildings, heat stays longer. Trees normally help cool the area around buildings. They block sunlight and reduce heat. Without trees, buildings absorb more heat. This makes indoor spaces uncomfortable. Many people think only air conditioners help, but nature also helps a lot. Trees work quietly all the time. They cool the environment around us. Cities with fewer trees feel hotter everywhere. When we go outside, you will feel it more clearly. Let's walk out and observe the street together. You will understand better.
Tom, why is this street so hot today?
Lena, let us look around this street slowly. The sun is very strong, and the sky is very clear. There are many buildings and cars, but there are no trees here. The road is black, and it absorbs a lot of heat. The heat stays on the ground for a long time. When people walk here, they feel very tired. The air feels heavy and dry. It is hard to breathe comfortably. This often happens in cities without trees. Trees give shade to people and roads. Shade helps block direct sunlight. Without shade, the heat stays everywhere. People sweat more and feel uncomfortable. Some people feel dizzy or sick. Trees help cool the air naturally. They make cities more comfortable. Trees are very important for daily city life.
Why do I feel cooler here?
Now we are standing under a big tree, Lena. You can feel the difference right away. The shade covers our heads and bodies. The sunlight cannot hit us directly. The air feels cooler and fresher here. Leaves block strong sunlight from the ground. Trees also release water into the air through their leaves. This water helps cool the surrounding air. That is why we feel a soft and cool breeze. This is how nature works naturally. Trees help cities breathe better. People feel calm when they stand near trees. Their bodies relax without effort. Stress slowly goes down. This is good for mental health. Trees are natural helpers. Cities need many trees like this.
Why is the ground so dry and broken?
Lena, look carefully at this sidewalk. The ground is very dry and full of cracks. There is no grass or small plant here. This happens when there are no trees nearby. Tree roots grow deep under the ground. These roots hold the soil together. They also help keep water inside the soil. When it rains, water stays longer in the ground. Without trees, rainwater flows away quickly. The soil becomes weak and dry. Over time, the ground starts to break. This can damage roads and buildings. Trees protect the earth quietly. We often do not see their work. Cities need healthy soil to stay strong. Trees help keep the ground healthy.
Why is the air here so dirty?
This road is very busy, Lena. Many cars and motorcycles pass by every minute. They release smoke and gas into the air. Dust also rises from the road. Without trees, this pollution spreads easily. Trees act like natural air cleaners. Their leaves catch dust and small particles. Trees absorb harmful gases from vehicles. They release oxygen into the air. Oxygen helps people breathe better. Without trees, dirty air stays longer. People may cough more often. Children and old people suffer the most. Air pollution can cause health problems. Trees help clean the air every day. They work quietly and continuously. Cities need trees to protect people's lungs.
Why are birds only on that tree?
Look at that tree carefully, Lena. You can see birds sitting on the branches. Trees are homes for many animals. Birds build nests in trees to stay safe. Insects live on leaves and bark. Small animals find food and shelter there. Trees provide protection from heat and rain. Without trees, animals lose their homes. They must leave the city or die. Cities become quiet without animals. Nature loses balance when trees disappear. Humans are also part of nature. When animals disappear, ecosystems break. Healthy cities need living nature. Trees help keep life in the city.
Why do people like to come to this park?
This park feels peaceful and comfortable, Lena. Trees create shade and cool air. People come here to rest and relax. Children can play safely under the trees. Old people enjoy sitting and breathing fresh air. Trees reduce noise from traffic outside the park. The sounds feel softer here. Green spaces help people feel happy. Stress slowly goes down. People walk, talk, and exercise more. Trees bring people together. Parks make cities feel friendly. Without trees, parks would be too hot. Trees make public spaces useful and enjoyable.
Why is this street flooded?
It rained heavily last night, Lena. This area has very few trees. Trees normally absorb rainwater through their roots. They slow down how fast water moves. Without trees, rainwater rushes quickly. The water covers the road and sidewalks. Floods happen more easily. Houses and shops can get damaged. People cannot travel safely. Trees help control floods naturally. They protect cities during strong rain. Climate change brings heavier rain. Cities need trees more than before. Trees help reduce flood damage. They protect people and property.
Why did they cut down those trees?
Many cities cut trees to build new roads and buildings, Lena. Development happens very fast today. People want more houses and shops, but cutting trees has serious effects. The area becomes hotter. The air becomes dirtier. Flood risks increase. Animals lose their homes. The city becomes less comfortable. Short-term development causes long-term problems. Smart cities plan carefully. They keep trees while building. Trees should be part of city design. Trees are not problems, they are solutions. Cities must grow with nature.
Why are there many trees at this school?
Schools plant trees for many good reasons, Lena. Trees provide shade for students. Children can play outside safely. Green areas help students focus better. Studies show students learn better near nature. Trees clean the air around schools. Noise from traffic becomes lower. Schools teach children to care about nature. Trees help build good habits early. Children are the future of cities. Teaching them about trees is very important. Schools help protect nature through education.
Why do hospitals have gardens and trees?
Hospitals use trees to help people heal, Lena. Nature helps patients feel calm. Green views reduce stress and fear. Clean air supports recovery. Trees create peaceful surroundings. Doctors and nurses also feel better. Hospitals can be stressful places. Trees make them more comfortable. Research shows nature helps healing. Trees are part of good healthcare. Cities need healing spaces. Trees support both body and mind.
Why does this neighborhood feel nicer?
This area has many trees along the streets, Lena. The air feels cooler and cleaner. Houses look more beautiful. People walk outside more often. Children play safely near their homes. Trees increase property value. Neighbors talk and smile more. Communities feel stronger here. Trees create friendly environments. Cities with trees feel more human. Nature connects people together. Trees improve quality of life.
Do trees still matter at night?
Yes, Lena. Trees are important at night too. During the day, they block heat. At night, they release stored heat slowly. This keeps the city cooler. Cities without trees stay hot at night. People cannot sleep well. Energy use goes up because of air conditioners. Trees help save electricity. They support better sleep. Trees help cities day and night.
Can trees really help climate change?
Trees help fight climate change, Lena. They absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Carbon dioxide causes global warming. Cities produce a lot of pollution. Trees reduce this pollution. One tree may seem small, but many trees together help a lot. Trees are not the only solution, but they are very important. Cities must plant and protect trees. Every tree makes a difference.
Why is this old tree important?
This tree has lived here for many years, Lena. Old trees provide many benefits. They store more carbon than young trees. They support more birds and insects. They give bigger shade. Cutting old trees is a big loss. New trees need time to grow. Protecting old trees is very important. They are part of city history. Cities should respect old trees.
Why are people planting trees today?
People plant trees for the future, Lena. Trees grow slowly but last a long time. Planting today helps future generations. Community events teach responsibility. People learn to care for nature. Tree planting brings hope. Small actions create big change. Everyone can help. Cities grow better with care. Trees connect people and nature.
What happens if all trees disappear?
A city without trees would be very difficult, Lena. The weather would be extremely hot. The air would be dirty and unhealthy. Floods would happen more often. Animals would disappear completely. People would feel stressed and unhappy. Health problems would increase. Energy costs would rise. Cities would lose beauty. Life would feel hard. Trees are not optional. They are necessary for life.
So, trees are really important for cities?
Yes, Lena. Trees are essential for city life. They cool the air and clean pollution. They protect the soil and control floods. They support animals and people. Trees improve health and happiness. They make cities livable and beautiful. Cutting trees causes many problems. Protecting trees protects our future. Cities and nature must grow together. Trees are life in the city.
If this video helps you learn English, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We make simple English conversations for real life, step by step.